Begin by clicking on Add Element in the flow. Assign a label to the screen. Next, select any power component from the components available in the left panel and drag it onto the screen. Provide the API name and configuration name for the component. Now, select the record ID and click on New Resource. Select the resource type, give it an API name, then choose the data type. Check the Input and Output checkbox and click Done. Finally, save the flow to preserve your changes. Now, click on the Activate button to activate the flow. Let's add this flow to button on the account record page. From the Setup page, click on Object Manager and select the account object. Now, navigate to the Buttons and Links section. Click on the New Action button and select the action type as Flow. Choose the desired flow from the list, provide a label for the button, and click Save. Next, navigate back to the account object, click on Page Layout and select the appropriate layout. Then click on the Mobile and Lightning Action section and drag the created button and drop into the Action section. Now, save the layout. Now, click on the App Launcher and search for Account. Click on it to open the account page. You will now see the Configured button on the page. Click on the button and you'll be able to see the configured flow on page.